Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank Banggood for providing this review unit. These are the one more true wireless earbuds. Anyway, before we proceed, the earbuds cost $99, but Banggood were also kind enough to offer a coupon valid until 10th of October. Use this coupon to get the earbuds for $59. Check the description below to see all that. Anyway, at the front of the package, we have some information about the earbuds and the branding. At the back of the package, you can see the specifications about the earbuds. Let's now proceed with the unboxing. The overall packaging is amazing. Everything is well packed and the graffiti on the side is also awesome with all the information about the earbuds. Let's start digging inside and see what accessories we get. First we get the storage unit, which is plastic built and it's pretty light, I would say. Then we get the pair of earbuds, which we'll look into in a while. We get a USB cable for charging the unit. We also get a carrying pouch, which is an awesome additional accessory that most companies don't offer. We get extra silicone ear gels and ear hooks, the O type, as usual, small and large. Now let's look at the earbuds and the storage unit. The earbuds are held by magnets on the storage unit, which is common to most earbuds. The storage unit has a button to open the case in order to access the earbuds. There is also one more branding and the micro USB port for charging. Looking at the earbuds, they are very lightweight and feel premium built. They have the one more branding at the outer part. They are also equipped with a physical button to answer or reject phone calls, as well as controlling music like volume and track selection. Pairing the earbuds is pretty simple. Just remove one from the storage unit and it will enter pairing mode. Head to your phone and just connect it to one more stylish TWS and that's it. Well, how about the sound quality? To be honest, I haven't tested any earbuds that are as good as these. The overall sound quality is just amazing. Deep bass, and it does justice to mids, highs and lows. They're amazing for any kind of genres. With battery life rated at 6 hours between charges, I will definitely recommend it to anyone. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.